If you are looking to purchase a brand new construction home within the surrounding areas of Orlando, we have our brand new construction home sales event that we would like to invite you out to. Today, I will be showcasing the Hayden model, which is a 2-story home offering 2,600 square feet of living space. Come on, let's take a tour. So as mentioned, this is the Hayden model, which is a 2,600 square feet home offering 5-bed, 3 baths, and a 2-car garage. So a couple features about this particular model. You do have ceramic tile that goes throughout the first floor of the home. Your first floor includes one of the guest bedrooms, and then your second floor features the master bedroom along with 3 additional guest baths and bedrooms as well. So a couple things within the kitchen, it does feature stainless steel appliances. You do have granite countertops throughout the entire home in your kitchen and bathroom areas. And as mentioned, the home does include a 2-car garage. Thank you guys for taking a tour with us again today. We are at the Hayden model, which is a 2,600 square feet home within the Orlando area. So a couple things about the new construction event that we're having coming up. We would like to exclusively invite you out. So please be sure to register for more information or be sure to contact me at 407-807-8993. I'm Tamara Combs with Combs Premier Realty Group. We'll see you soon.